Okay, Mr. Fields, is it correct you're going to plead guilty to one charge of improper plates with a 0 point, the 0 point offense, and the 2 remaining counts will be dismissed? Is that what you're going to plead guilty to?
Yeah.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to Ms. Sabree today about your case?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Okay, knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to July 6, 2020, around 6:40 p.m. in the area of Jefferson and McDougal in the city of Detroit, where you operated a 2005 Chevy black vehicle with improper plates.
Yes.
Okay. Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay. I will dismiss the 2 remaining counts. Is there stipulation of probable cause?
Your Honor, so stipulated.
Okay, Mr. Fields, I'm going to waive your fines and costs this morning, bring you to a 0 balance, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, you are all set.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's do Mr. Derek. Ms. Franklin, you were in the wrong courtroom. Ms. Ashley Franklin, can you hear me? If so, can you respond and say yes?
Yes, I hear you.
Okay, you gotta hang up and call. You're supposed to be in Judge King's courtroom this morning.
Oh, snap. Okay.
So I'm gonna give you the Zoom ID, okay?
Okay, just 1 second. DJ, hold on. Let me get a pen and paper. Okay, I'm ready.
It's 360
Just a second. 360
438
438
0000.
0000. Okay, I apologize.
No, call and let them know that you were in my courtroom by mistake.
Okay, I will. I'm about to do it right now.
Yes, please do it right now. Okay. Mr. Derek Jackson, go ahead and unmute your phone. And then we'll get back to Ms. Frazier. Okay. Calling case U4606618, the People versus Derek Jackson, 1 count of violation of Controlled Substance Act appearance.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, BF of Darius Jackson. The only count I had, I'm sorry, was license never acquired. So.
I see that one as well. I didn't see that one at first. I thought it was just a marijuana charge here. He has one in warrant status for. Mr. Jackson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Derek Jackson.
Okay. Mr. Jackson, I'm assuming that you're still working on getting your license. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to have to recall your matter. I was trying to get you out of here, but you have 2 counts. One of them I can't dismiss like the other one. Mr. Rocky, I'm going to put you into a breakout room. Just go ahead and speak to him. Okay?
What's the year? What's the charge and what's the year?
It's 2018 driving while license suspended.
I have that one. Is there a marijuana ticket?
Yeah, the other one, the youth ticket is a marijuana ticket.
What's the date on it?
2018.
Okay, thank you.
I plead guilty to it. It's get it over with.
We're not going to do that. The judge is going to put us in a room, okay?
All right.
We don't do that here. You don't just plead guilty because because you want to get it over with.
Yes, this whole thing.
Okay, accept the invitation to go into the breakout room. Mr. Levy,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Who are you here for?
I have a trial with Kelly Foote on a misdemeanor ticket.
Ms. Foot didn't even check in,
Yes, ma'am.
so she's capious at this point. So you're all set.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you. Okay, we ready on Mr. Jackson?
We are, Your Honor.
Okay. This is a recall, People versus Derek Jackson. We also have case 49788, one count of driving while license suspended. Here.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, behalf of Mr. Jackson. At this time, my client's continuing his plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Okay, Mr. Jackson, can you state your name again for the record?
Derek Jackson.
Okay, so for the U case, I can go ahead and dismiss that. The marijuana case, I will dismiss that one without prejudice, okay?
Oh,
Okay.
thank you, Your Honor. In that case, then he would enter a plea to fail display of veiled license.
Okay. As the allegation, just for the record, the allegation is that he had suspected marijuana hash on his possession. Okay, Mr. Jackson, can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, I do.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private today about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, Mr. Jackson, do you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to May 20th, 2018, around 11:35 p.m. in the area of Warren and 2nd in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 1996 Buick Gold vehicle without a valid driver's license.
Yes, I was.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Jackson, I accepted your guilty plea. I amended the charge to failure to display a valid operator's license. That's 0 points on your record. And I'm also going to waive your fines and costs today. It's typically about $240. I've been waiving everyone's costs due to the pandemic, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Did you post a bond?
No, I'm out on personal.
Okay, all right, so you were all set. You're going to have to pay a reinstatement fee. That's $45 for that count. That goes to the Secretary of State so that you can work towards getting your license, okay?
Okay. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. All right, let's get back to Mrs. Frazier. Okay, Mrs. Frazier, you have some time to think.
Excuse me?
I said, did you have some time to think about what you want to do?
Oh, yes.
Okay, do you want to set this for a trial, or would you like to go ahead and resolve it today and plead guilty to failure to display?
No,
Okay,
it was
then.
gonna be to, it was gonna be just to the impeding, because she sent me all her proofs.
Oh, correct, impeding traffic. So what are we gonna do today, Ms. Frazier?
Go ahead and accept it.
Is there a stipulation to the face of the ticket for the responsible plea?
Your Honor, so stipulated.
Okay, I will dismiss the remaining counts. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Frazier, I'm waiving your fines as well. That's typically about $175. You don't have to pay that, so you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well. Be safe.
Thank you, you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye. There was a recall. I forgot to say recall. Oh, I called it. I'm just doing recall. Thank you. Okay. Let's do Elijah Jenkins.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Wait a minute, Elijah Jenkins, can you say something again?
Yes, I'm here.
Are there two Elijah Jenkins?
No, I had to switch devices. My other one died.
So this is not Elijah
But
Jenkins.
I was in the chat on another device.
So this guy here, I have his name as Elijah Jenkins, but that's not his name. Okay. Okay.
Is Mr. Jenkins on the docket?
Nope.
Okay.
Well, he's from last week, Judge.
That's a good question. Let's start there. He's from last week. Okay, it said add to Monday's docket. I must have told him to call back in today.
Okay, that's fine. It's just like looking, I don't see.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes.
Hi, I didn't know you guys carried me. I just clicked in. I have a court date this morning.
Yes, everyone does on the call. So just give us a second, okay?
Oh, okay. Thank
What's your name?
you. Devon Johnson.
Okay, Mr. Plate.
It's hard trying to get this thing to work. I'm new to this.
Well, he's scheduled for 9.
Got a lot of cases.
Excuse me,
Yes. What's your name?
Yep. Tyrone Frazier, ill.
There we go. That's your real name. I had you. Okay, everybody's identified.
I ain't get to talk to nobody either.
Okay, everybody.
Look, there we go.
Talking. I'm trying to handle cases. The quicker I can handle a case, the quicker I can get to you. I'm going to address everyone on the call. No one's going to be left unheard. But I can only handle one case at a time. Every time someone interrupts me, I have to stop what I'm doing with one case to address you. I know you all trying to make sure you're going to be heard. I will hear everyone. I promise that. Okay? You just hold tight until I call your name. I'll unmute you and we'll get you out of here. Okay? Mr. Jenkins, Elijah Jenkins, go ahead and start your video back.
Okay.
So he has 4 counts.
Mr. Jenkins, yeah, is it the?
His counts are no operator's license, unregistered vehicle, no insurance, and loitering in a place of illegal occupation. So the offers for all of the counts to be dismissed, except for the U ticket, which has a 6-month delay on it.
Okay,
A pretty good offer.
I can go in a breakout room if the court would like.
I didn't hear what you said.
That's okay.
Join the
Okay.
breakout room, sir. Join the
Okay.
breakout room.
Gotcha.
ready on Mr. Jenkins?
Yes.
I am, but we are gonna need the, you to read the information on the loitering, the date and the location.
You want me to read it now? So you
Yeah,
can-
just so before we do a factual basis.
Yeah. April 3rd, 2018, around 2:04 PM at 2694 Davidson. Subject went into a dispensary without a medical marijuana card. Those are the allegations.
Okay, Mr. Jenkins, are you good with that?
Yeah.
Okay, we're ready to proceed, Your Honor. He's gonna avail himself of the recommendation.
Okay. Calling cases 307085, the people versus Elijah Michael Jenkins. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Count 2, unregistered motor vehicle. Count 3, no insurance. U 3475221 Loitering in place of illegal occupation where narcotics are sold, stored, kept, and/or dispensed. Appearance.
Your Honor, Pauline Sirocki, on behalf of Mr. Jenkins, at this time, he's gonna avail himself of the recommendation.
Okay, Mr. Jenkins, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Elijah Michael Jenkins.
Okay, is it correct you're going to plead guilty to the one count of loitering in a place of illegal occupation where narcotics are sold, stored, kept, and/or dispensed, with the understanding that the 3 remaining counts will be dismissed?
Yes.
Okay. There's also a recommendation for a 6-month delayed sentence on the narcotic case, which means that if you don't pick up any cases and you don't get any traffic offenses, that will be dismissed at the end of 6 months. I will adopt that recommendation from the prosecutor, knowing that
Okay.
you want to move forward and plead guilty. You want to move forward and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay. Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Ms. Sirocki, your attorney, today in private about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
I'm sorry.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
I'd like to bring your attention to April 3rd, 2018, around 2:04 PM at the location 2694 Davidson in the city of Detroit. What's at that location?
I'm not sure actually. It
Was
was.
it a dispensary, medical?
Oh yeah,
or
yeah. It was a dispensary. I believe. Yeah.
Okay, did you enter or loiter around that place, or did you enter to that location illegally without a medical marijuana card?
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will accept your guilty plea, dismiss the 2 or 3 remaining counts, their stipulation of probable cause.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
Okay, Mr. Jenkins, you got a really good deal today. And as long as you don't, so I changed it to, let's see, does it say 6 months? It says 6 months. I changed it to 3 months, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. As long as you don't pick up any cases, it'll be dismissed from your record. I'm also going to waive your fines and costs today, so that'll save you $240. So you basically got the best deal you could have gotten today, okay?
Okay.
All you have to do is stay out of trouble. Can you handle that?
Yes.
Okay. You have any questions?
No, ma'am. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
All right. You too.
Let's do Mr. Tyrone Frazier L. Mr. Frazier L., go ahead and unmute your phone.
Now, I have not spoken to him, so
Yeah, here.
one of his tickets, it looks like it's a mirror. Oh, 2 are reviews, it says on the docket.
Yep, we can take. Mr. Frazier L., can you hear me? I need you to look on your phone and press the mute button. Where it says mute, I need you to unmute.
Hold on just a second. Okay. morning. She'll be over tomorrow.
Okay, let's move on. Corey Franklin?
Okay, no problem. I'll let her know. Okay. Okay.
I did not see Corey Franklin's phone.
Wait.
Corey Franklin, go ahead and unmute your phone.
Corey Franklin or Corey Jackson?
Yeah, I don't
What
see
is
it. Cor-
What's your name, sir? Corey. What's your last
Corey
name?
Jackson.
I don't know why I put Franklin. That's why I'm confused.
All right. I have not spoken with Mr. Jackson, Your Honor.
Like, there's nobody named Corey Franklin. You got the wrong courtroom. Okay, so Mr. Jackson, I'm gonna put you into a breakout room to speak to Mr. Roki.
Okay.
Mr. Roki, the offer is for him to plead guilty to failure to display and improper plate with the remaining count to be dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Okay. Mr. Franklin, when you come out of, Jackson. In the breakout room, take your hat off, okay?
Okay.